The two fake rest of mine jacket and that tall weird nigga they can't breathe nobody.
D12, my powerful so you need help. Humber can't save you with back fists in a feet.
Welcome people. You don't know the something set at the trendy dancehall back at it again. You see me and we're gonna talk about what the description of the video you say. But before we jump in it, like, subscribe and comment. You see me banging. Yeah man people, so we all know that Chronicler and Jahmiel right now a clash. War. When I say war, shot everything and throw, you see me? Yeah man a sling out and everything, but you know say since recently two DISS drop, you see me, and Chronicler drop one name Talk Fuck. Don't know the music thing going on, who can say the rare set of things them more while, you see me? So him go drop on this track and say one line in it about the tourists. Them wear my jacket and the skinny nigga. Tall one they can't breathe nobody and style like a wicked. You see me? I make you hear it back again, right? So you see me?
The two fake rest of mine jacket and that tall weird nigga they can't breathe nobody.
You see me peeps? So with that said and done, Jahmiel the great man drop back at this track named Quaran kill, you see me? And me I tell you, say, I don't know what people are talking about weak. It's like them not no blood, it's like them not no sense. Because me I tell you, line for line and everything, it connect me I tell you people. A wicked man sitting at them here. Me I tell you man, and the dog they on some psychopath meds. If you really are meds so are gone, and the dog lyrical. You see me? Him clap back on every bar for bar, you see me? So, anyways, with that said and done to, you know, the man come back and say, a strength you look, because remember Chronicler come and talk about how my boy tourists them my mind jacket and Alka can't breathe nobody. So the man come back and say, me alone powerful, me alone we deal with you. The man say, oh, remember to say that boy they when a sell cab where back in fist can't save it to, you know, straight the man make him know. I gotta make him know straight, say my charge you know won't breathe no yet man. And him still I get the float up. What about your charge, you know, him can't save the time, lock in a bar and can't get nothing, him have to back him fist. You see me? Who tell the man to tell the truth, imagine, just for tell the truth. You see me? I see Kartel, you know, with fame himself, you know, because you know fame style, you know, I post on Instagram, but oh, not sure what to see it.
World boss, keep your head up, and all the real youths them get locked up.
Some juice and dry fruit sent from me. My real friends, them remember me. The same thing when me tell you, and the same thing when me tell Adi. It will be okay, it will be okay. Yeah. Me get lost, go but I'll be free one day.
Yeah man, him post that song with the caption saying bop bop bop, big tune my son, you see me, and tag the great man, you see me, said speed, but you don't know the thing, none of that never really necessary. You see me? We all know Kartel is a belighted artist, and end of the day Jamaica is a small place. Some people are gonna get pick up. You see me? So the people them just dig up same speed and find back a quick clip. See it, yeah.
Like my father, me want to rule.
That will never happen.
Society, let me out back on you road.
You will never live to see that happen.
Sure, you somebody even a rush it. Same time I go over upon Great Man page and I see him post this, you see me, see the screenshot, yeah. The man say, yeah, that a before I find out say a friend killer, you see me, simple and plain. You see me? The things then I follow up, you see me? Yeah, your fling shades you get back this simple, you see me? Yeah man, yeah, it's simple. Anyways, you see a DJ Palmer now, you see me, him for love certain things, you see me. They get involved, you see me, because I'm a big man to the thing, and everything you see I take up, you see me. But anyways, people, I come out here today for showing in a video, you see me. Comment down below and tell me what you think, you see me. Otherwise, from that, more video come on thing, you see me. So subscribe, like, comment, and share, you see me. Yeah man, out here.